Hi, I'm at Lake Ontario again, and this time, as you can see, it's wintertime. We're leading into winter. Had a snow yesterday, but I just wanted to come down here to Lake Ontario and show you how beautiful it is in the cold weather here with the snow. And the colors are amazing. They are the blues and the grays, and there's greens in there. The clouds, the whites, the darks in the distance are all different things that you can use in your painting practice, where the sky meets the water. So I also wanted to show you the patterns of the water as they came up onto the beach. These are other things that you can use in your painting practice too. Here at the beach on a wintry day. So that's one of the things that I love about painting, is because it helps me become more aware and notice what's around me and what's in the world. And it's such a gift, right? So I'm just sharing the gift of a cold day, December day on Lake Ontario, and sharing her beauty with you. And right, using these subtle shifting colors as a way to inspire your painting, and do a meditative painting and blending the colors and seeing how they flow together, and just play and notice and see what colors work with this. Happy painting!